Happy holidays and a happy 2019 to everybody who's watching this video. This video is just to help everybody who's flying to or from Gatwick airport. Well, nothing is flying from Gatwick right now. Nothing is coming to Gatwick right now. You know why? Because two drones have been spotted near the airport area, and all the airlines have been delayed or diverted or canceled their planes. And you need to call their respective airlines you're flying if you are this festive season and this holiday season, because just to considering and taking care of the safety measures, there's nothing flying right now from Gatwick, and which is just an hour away, by the way, from Heathrow and London airport. You know, technology is actually humans best friend, but now it's actually getting them into trouble now, and thousands of passengers have been stranded. There are so many families who's traveling with their little kids, you know, tiny babies, and there's some pregnant women as well lying on the floor over there in the airport. So please, to avoid any problem for yourself and your family, please do call your airline right now if you're flying this festive season from Gatwick, and get the current status, because right now there's nothing flying from there. So at the moment there's no update. Just call the airline, get the current status. And one more update is, like, the railways is giving free travel to the passengers who have a confirmed ticket from Gatwick airport to help them this festive season. And EasyJet and some airlines are also offering they're offering compensation if you're taking care of your own travel, and they're gonna reimburse you if you travel by yourself, and because your flight has been cancelled because of safety measures due to the spotting of two drones. So I hope you're gonna call your airline right now and get the current status. So please be safe and take care, guys, and talk to you later. Bye.